KIT provides state-of-the-art, at-home medical testing delivered to your doorstep. KIT allows you to do a mini blood draw from the comfort and privacy of your home by providing all the necessary tools to complete the exam on your own. Once you open the KIT, you will be prompted to download our smartphone app, which will walk you through the exam, giving step-by-step video instructions to ensure accurate results. If you experience any problems while going through the exam, our live customer service team is ready to help assist you by video chat through our app. The blue finger prick box contains all the necessary items to collect your blood sample. A few of the key items you are provided with are lancets to prick your finger, a blood collection tube, and a finger compressor to assist with blood flow. The test should take between 15 to 25 minutes to complete. When you have completed the exam, our app will promptly instruct you to drop off the KIT at your local UPS store. Once we receive your returned KIT, our lab diligently begins processing and testing your sample, using trusted industry standard methods to provide fast and accurate results. You will be notified when your results are ready to be viewed. KIT is here to help make health testing a modern, simple, and convenient process.